So welcome back, traders. Let's quickly do a quick analysis on our stock market index, or however I want to call it, our S&P 500, our Nasdaq, and our Wall Street. So first of all, the one I'm going to be aiming for, we are looking at, is our S&P 500. So for this week, we should be seeing that our S&P 500 should actually come back to give us this retracement here before we actually see that fall. So what I'm aiming for on our S&P 500 is actually a bullish move upward, and if possible we don't have that bullish move, our price manages to break below this our area here, then definitely we should actually be taking our sell straight downward before we can actually see that reversal. But what I'm looking for is that our S&P should actually be giving us that movement upward. There's possibility to not give us for it to continue going down, so definitely we should wait for a break below this our area here, then we will take our sell straight down to this our area here, which I'm going to be marking around this our area here, which has served as a support, which has also served as a support here. Then definitely you should actually be taking that sell position straight here before we actually see that reversal on our S&P 500. On our Nasdaq, next I'm looking for continuous fall before we actually see that continue bullish move on our Nasdaq 100. That is exactly what I am aiming for. Let's see on our 4-hour time frame. You can see our 4-hour time frame is actually still bearish, so we would want to be going bearish on our 4-hour time frame. We should actually be taking that sell position before we can actually start looking for a setup to buy up. That is exactly how I'm planning my trade for this week. You can see here has served as a support. Here has served as a support. It has also given us a resistance here. It has also given us as a pullback, price has retraced here, and definitely we should be pushing down here and be seeing that reaction, either continue push up or a reaction as a pullback, then continue push down. So on our Wall Street index, by the way, I think our Wall Street index will actually push up a little bit before we actually can see that fall. So there are two ways we would be seeing that fall. Either we actually see that fall around this our area here, if we just alighted, or we actually see that our fall at this our area here. So definitely we would want to be looking for a shorter position, but let's look for the setup. So that is our analysis for this week.